Color combinations, colors. This is standard stuff, but within the industry there would need to be an interior designer specialist team and an external designer specialist team in the production of any vehicle. So that's acknowledged, but let's look at the yellows and some of the lighter colors and see what we could do, what color combinations could work. And some of these have been worked out on particular vehicles, and we can see then what those colors are, how they came together. But there's such an array of colors. Look at some of those yellows, some of those oranges, and is it orange or yellow or lime? Some of these colors work well for being a safer color. Explore that area and say what other colors does it go well with to break it up. You have a main color and then you break it up with something else. Look at some of the variants of what is green or blue or something, and some of these can give a lot of interest to the vehicle and make up 10 or 15% of the whole color, with the other color being the main one, and has good safety characteristics, nice and bright. Some of these gradations of colors, it's really spectacular what's there, and sometimes having something that's close to the other one and being able to have combinations of colors that are of the same type but different grades can work well as well. But this particular slide shows the possibilities here where you could find some color combinations that work very well. Some of the green with the yellow with the lighter green can be a very interesting area to be exploring, because it is yellow, or is it lime, is it green, is it blue, is it white, and it can be a very safe type of color and very attractive and enduringly very attractive. 5-10 years of it being out on the road and it still looks good. It helps to look at some of these different ways people have laid out the colors, and it can help stimulate exploration lines. Looking at these sort of lines off a spoke type of thing, and looking at this sort of area here with the yellows and greens, lighter colors, see what we could get out of that. Some of the yellows here. This type of presentation can help where you get this grade of colors, and then you can swing around a little bit and check if there's anything just next door that would work. So different formats, layouts can provide a new stimulus, a new line of exploration. And this one, again, look the way they've created a three-dimensional sort of layout. This can give us new ideas of how to go about finding something that works. Remember that the color adds up over the whole volume of the vehicle, and we need to not then have it too dominating, too loud. So something like pastel or matte is one of the strategies. The other is to have a softer color to start with, and by the time it's over that much of the vehicle, it's got enough strength. If you start with too strong a color, by the time it's finished being all over the vehicle, in where it is placed, mixed with some other colors, it can just be too loud. So This type of format can be quite interesting. Again, looking at the yellow areas and this technical stuff of the breakup of the yellows and then oranges. It's more in this sort of yellow zone that is it green or yellow, or is it orange or yellow? And then you've got all this blue-green area as well. This sort of intersection here, and then the soft yellow version out here can provide some good color solutions, and then get something that it works well with in combination. Put that other color on the roof, or the D pillar, these sort of strategies. The running board down the side, there's usual suspect spots to look to. Something simple like this, and just working in along here again, some of these yellow oranges or yellow lime, yellow green, all the way through to a soft type of blue green pastel. Some of these brown yellows can, if you get it soft enough, it can end up being a nice pastel type of yellow effect. It could work well. We've seen some good top sports cars, Porsches, in some nice soft greens and these soft blues, monochromatic color combinations. Hues, tints, tones and shades, these technical terms. So, do the specialists get across all of this? Are they really doing a brainstorm approach? Are they really... it should be done by a computer program now. You don't need to do anything with AI. It's the thing people keep saying. But a computer program, this is what they're made to do. So you get a build of a vehicle, you get the real vehicle built as your prototype, and then you have all the shadows coming off the vehicle for real light reflecting off the vehicle. Then you get the computer program to go and show what it looks like in 10,000 different colors, different color combinations, and so on and so on, and it can provide then some excellent variants, and should be being organized there. There's really no excuse for putting out 5 out of the 10 color combinations on offer on the vehicle being sort of duds. Why do we get these vehicles where 5 out of the 10 color offerings, why would anybody want that one? Maybe the dealer bought one and then it's their demo vehicle, and then at the end they've got to sell it off or something. But anybody choosing it just for themselves, a brand new vehicle, they wouldn't choose that color. Why is it on offer? Let's have all the colors that are on offer being really excellent, really good offerings. So I'll end the file there. Please subscribe. This is again, this low-hanging fruit. Let's make the most of this easy stuff to get right and make vehicles more appealing, better value purchase, very attractive. Let's do this. Let's do a proper job. That is the company, but if they need some help, let's help them. And let's have all the vehicles looking very good in the best colors and safe colors, so the lighter colors. So, end of video. Please subscribe and thumbs up on the video and comment if you choose. These are things that help with the algorithm, as they say.